Etie for nsɛm bi akoso na the mentality sɛbi nsɛm na ɛkɔso no ɛde ba no ɛnyɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhwɛ because me hu ne sɛ it is a disaster in waiting. Answer ne beto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell no ɛno ɛna da screen so see a me ne wo kasa wo yɛ ne sa latest news bi aba won sabeka yɛ ne pepepe sɛ ne ho ɛwɔ screen so no ɛyɛ pepepe ni 1 year and a month pepepe ni ɛna tre said KNUST nsensem bi course so a yɛ ne ayɛ hu yɛ nya videos ni bi hwɛ ya students edi ebufuo sɛbe sorry for that students edi ebufuo kyese wo mo di ebufuo ekosese nyama ewo school nim wo mo say eye a teacher fo nyama ati ase wo mo say nyama na enye easy wo mo hye cars na nyama ye ne aye hu ye na eno hu nti ye be close down school eye KNUST no ye be close school no down ye be to school nim for some time I affect academic work na a year on na ye pese ye hwe se a year on no students no de ntia wo mo yes demonstration no ya address ya na ensensema ede banete fo nye easy lecturer yebeka say wo ye UTAG University of ana yebeka say University Teachers Association of Ghana University Teachers Association of Ghana na te say a teacher for wo mo tra de we suapo ni na no wo mo president wo KNUST wo den nsem bia beto de tiefo nye easy na president ye friend Professor Mafo na etiefo men pese men misquoting ni ntino Professor Charles Mafo nsem a wo kan wo Kumasi based Pure FM me pese me quote wono ankasa na words na muhu etiefo asema wakan wo say do you know that after the incident there are lecturers who come to the office with their weapons in their cars? Wo say I am telling you today, yes, if I have registered my gun, then if I'm coming to class I have to bring it along because the child I thought was a kid says he is not. He can set my car ablaze. Hey, dear professor, ne can say, a teacher for a work in university. Now saying, woman said, woman way to our woman register no. Woman kwa class I got try there. Woman the two no eshe woman home. It's here for. Hey, this is a Ghana honey you do. Say a teacher for a tresebe. Yebeka ne say esuapon na a teacher for a try dey wo esuapon no etuo hye omo ho e wo class ho hey we dear you serious o na minim say asem we o two sides na side bia wo gine bia no wo betumi ama valid point bia ebe call with the side you belong to the side of the students betumi aka say into papa we person trese sebe ne ba efun no ewo fie a wone ne ba ne kasa na wone ne ba ne kokasa wo de etuo be hye ne ho ana on the side of the students no betumi aka say dabi teachers no de wo mo ye no they are taking the matters far on the side of teachers no betumi aka say yes in kwala na kire say wo mo betumi a destroy properties na sa day no na nka wo mo hia teachers ni bia ka me sure say wo mo hwe vice chancellor na mo call the office ko hyehye ne nyama no me sure say vice chancellor na nka wo office that time na nko betumi abo ne kreku no into on the side of the lectures no so no obi betumi aka say eye but me dey na say be wudi etuo ne hye wo ho akọ class but I think it's too far ne kra ne dey o say ye kan I think it is too far because asem no ya settle asem na ma aye den atodin a year on bibisa NCE students no dia wo mo say wo mo pen mo aya amomo ana na enye no pen no kan what you ask was say I can tell you confidently I am one of them. Not just say a teacher for wo mo de etuo ekọ class no wono a wo ye University Teachers Association of Ghana president e wo KNUST ho no wo say wo betumi aka esi so say a teacher for na wo mo de etuo ehye wo mo ho kọ class no wono Professor Mafo wo ka ho bi into wo de etuo ekọ class enye say wo say obi see wo say me de etuo kọ class but say I feel like every student involved must apologize. I know a lecturer who still fears for his life. What kind of life is this? Are you saying this is what we need to celebrate? It's here for 1 year on ni ebisa na say e den e na ekoso e na o se wono wo ye obi a wo tra de e wo suapon ho na ne nafofo a wo mo tra de up till now still wo mo suro wo mo hu eye student ne kra na o mo suro wo se wo mo hu student na o mo suro na asema papa we aka no it will expose his mentality. Na this mentality no eye ade bia e wo Ghana impanyifo bebre ho na mebo so atrel na ama we hu where this thing is coming from. But it's here for assembly is very serious. It is very, very, very serious. Now was students no ofele say e was say wo mo be apologize e wo de wo mo ye na baby America say it exposes this professor's mentality no eye baby a waka say I have to bring a gun along because the child I thought was a kid says he isn't. Was see the a wo de etuo airport class and they say student na no ohun ne say wo ya akola no afi we hu say wo nya akola. Now this exposes the mentality of the university teachers and university lecturers in Ghana. University akola nko university o. So we be university you who said the person can make decisions on his own. But Ghana has say okwa abrochi a udu university you who say wenyin. Until they treat you as sebi openyi. Ghana has say udu university still you who say we akola. Until no you hear me say oh ye the in sembe hihye wo so in a sense we will enforce things on you. Ade ampanifo no feel say eye emo omo no e no mo de be hye mo so because omo hu ne say mo ye nkwala. You can't make decisions on your own. Now this mentality asema papa onakasa ne numu asemo e na exposing the mentality and the mentality of a university lecturers in Ghana. Members will be say I have to bring it along. Etu ho asem no kan say etu no e was what the class because wo bia no hu ne say wo ya akola no afei nipa ko ne say wo nya akola. Etiefo na trace teachers no mo hu student ne say enkola. Intia na student ne di ebufuo eye sa demonstration no sebe wo obi se wo ye pani a wo di ebuo ema no wo de eye policies bi ba wo be consult ni pa kono because wo ne se wo ye pani wo tumi mfa eye law bi enforce entu pani so but because these lecturers are seeing these students say wo mo ye nkola na nti bibia no there are two students ne so won konko bisa ne say oh de eye di be eye de eye di be bibia no there are two students ne so. Now students no so one more person one more try one more say mo nya nkola afi mu buefu mo kwa class mo de etuo enenam. I have been in the university before. Na e ade a ewo ho lectures the way sometimes they treat students no e arewosem as a wo de che say wonnim hwe. Meanwhile university sebe wo mo a wo mo edu ho no dodo na by age yebeka say ebia wo ko 20s mu 1920 na we do university na asema wo mo ka no we need to think deep into this to the extent say lecturer wo ko class wo di etu sabe Iraq ra mo yesa Iraq ana yebeka say sa countries now war e ko so kra no sabe wo mo yesa na Ghana ye ko kan o si o me de na me nim say wo ya akola afi watre me se wonya akola enti me kwa class a so me kite etu aden enti wo ba efum wo fia na nkasa na obeye fa ne se wo ba e na wa hye ne so wo fia na ne buefu e na wa ba BBC enti wo tre me se sisia wo ne wo ba ne kokasa na wo ba ne ba around a wo be fetu a hye ho enti lecture na okay enti sisia students be misbehavior ye ni ayenim se wo bi kite etu a eno e na tre se kaswa abrante ne ye ya wo de ekokun eye two policemen no because abrante ne bufu ye e na wontu mi anhye ne ho so na abrante ne won kite etu na konkun omo ubufu a eto de bia wontu mi ndwen it imagine say student ne kan e bia na wa ye ade ama lecture no ne buefu na ma member story bi so entremo embra na be wo university ye ko university first no na ye lecture bi wo my assignment inti ye ko ba na trese wajeje wo class enim na debi wo my assignment na ye ba no na wo jeje inti wo jeje no na ebi mo nya ye ti afiance ebi mo tro fast e no hu say abrante bi afiance wo ye assignment no inti o jeje ye de nya wie na abrante na ye late afiance abrante no wo de ne de ne eba abrante ne be submit ne de na ade a lecture ne ye ne se wo bo abrante na sum lecture ne de ebufuo ebo abrante na sum na fe class ye nia ye se na university so ye yesa na lecture no afe ne bufuo no call down no e na o apologize kire yen se ono a wo hu ne se wanya ade na eye ebufuo e na ba ya wo de ebufuo ebo abrante na sum at that instant no mo hu se lecture ne bufuo ye e matrese wo bo abrante na sum but later wo no realize se de wo ye no se be wanya ne ye inti ende lecture wo kwa class na etu o hye ho na wo bufuo a wakuma beto oye me na trese we ku ni ba ku na wi o because me case na me dey mouse si an lecture no wo ma yeti ase se e ya ade ananka enye se wo ye but ebufuo na man ye inti sisi a wo kitetu wo ho a the small thing the slightest thing na ebe ma obuefu no bo so obetu etuo na this is a waiting disaster Ghana e was say sorry ne ye kaseti asa ade we anansen lectures ne ye nipa ko a wo ka no wo ye nipa kase o University Teachers Association of Ghana the KNUST wo president and a worker Professor Mafo wonye obi a ye beka se obi a kwahwe kwa lecturer bia na obi a wonye lecturer University Teachers Association of Ghana the local president assemble etiefo ene se ye da e wa assemble ho Ghana ba da ben se lecture wo ko trade wo class etu o show menti ase etiefo menti ase he kan say den assemble de menti ase da say e pa ho ada ben lecturer how what country are we living in my bay any team students no yes the omo ye ne ye ni aya ba bontin e be kan say enye wo mo anya ade a year on ye pese ye hwe won hwe sa ade na Ghana fo eto de bia ye no ye njai na e ya ade bia e wo Ghana fo ye ho papa asem si a de ema asem ni si ye na ya na ye pese ye be ka ho asem o the side things are ACC no ubehu se na afa ye de ye concentration akoto so near the concentration the koguso not just say the side things are near waste time or so this is a similar thing what is students no wo ma cars the omo ye no ye ni aye say enye ntwa ye e die e na ma student no yes because bibisa no nc e wo KNUST da students into me obi a me ko KNUST me wie KNUST 2016 and I me wie KNUST Bamunti asama America no. Me say in my time during my time in KNUST me dambe ma ho na ye near den but ye ko demonstration ye time ye ko demonstration by an say in Yamase it hardly happens in KNUST bisa ho say e ba ne sen e na si ye there were a lot of things going on university KNUST security ye momo de mbrasho mun sem se wo mon boost students to say mwa ye boost students bi maybe mo pray lecture where was your dey tuition ne ho eno ho asem wan kan students ne say in Bema house na wo mo da no you are destroying the tradition ye nim say Kumasi is a land of tradition wo say tradition no wo mo mpe wo de wo pe say who lectures no ni students no wo school ni mo na so mo de mo pe because mo hu wo mo say wo mo ye nkola ni ti mo de mo pe ahye wo mo so e na wo mo ye demonstration e na demonstration no outcome no ye ni aye hu ye na answer no wo mo be ko demonstration no you the same lectures and I beka say mo mpanyifo na mo school ni no answer no be ko demonstration you intimidated them I saw text messages and na mo send students me say mo nim na mo ko demonstration na the yede be yamo no e was some class lectures is going on you need to go to class you wanted to intimidate them not to go to the demonstration and no ka ahemu ebufu say mo ya de yese yempe yese ye peaceful demonstration nso mo pese mo de ehye ye so mo wie ya no mo ko free police for buy embra wo mo ye peaceful demonstration no police for buy na police for share say wo mo tututu and a student ka say e pa ho adaben e ne yanso ye be ye bi mo tena ye ni je so ache ye demonstration so still mo kofre police wa ba se mo tena ye ni je so na the students ne ye no may have condemned it. I'll always condemn it, but asema ba e was say ye hwe asem no ne ye ka ne ye e den e na ma sa asem no e ba e mo bu students mo ye we mo anka hwe e wo so na the students aye we I was say hey won ka say oh as University Teachers Association of Ghana no ye tena say na students ne concern no ya address mo say da bi ye fa etu a hye ye ho de akwa class iti ye try de wo class etu o hye ye ebi mo etu o hye wo class mu me say wo bo no ani din say yes I can tell you confidently say wo no etu o hye ne ho e wo class or try there how na dey say adwempo a wo de akwa class kra no enya adwem papa iti no students ye bibi kitu ebi pe dimayaw. This is a waiting disaster eba asem we e wo say yes sorry aman penyefo e wo say sorry wa asem we won so mo sorry mon kire mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu mon kire mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu hey